Hi everybody, how are you doing? Happy Sunday. Just wanted to come and share with you a project that I'm doing. So, most of you guys probably already know Jerome Bellamy, my boyfriend. He is working on creating his own clothing line called DMV Devils. And you've probably seen one of the sweatshirts I've already done with the red glitter DMV Devil logo on it. Well, today I'm gonna do something similar to that with another style hoodie. This one right here. But I'm gonna put like the DMV Devils, a small print, excuse me, oh, it's all in my face. A smaller print like on the chest, and then a bigger print on the back of the sweatshirt. Okay, so let's get started. So what I'm going to be working with is this is a vinyl, iron-on vinyl from Cricut. This is the Sport Flex, so it can be a little flexible, a little stretchy, especially for the sweatshirt and everything. And it's a solid white. I thought this would be a good color to match with this dark color hoodie. For the logo. So let's see how that works, okay? Okay, so I've opened up Cricut. This is my Cricut design space. And here is the DMV Devil logo. This is a touchscreen computer, and it will come up just like that. And then I can go ahead and click customize because I want to create two prints, and this is a fairly large one. And I want it to be much smaller than this, probably about 4 inches wide and about 6 inches, between 4 inches wide and maybe 6 inches long to go over the chest. And then the other one can pretty much stay about this size right here, which this is a 6-inch wide to let me see how long this is. It's pretty long, I know that. So it's about 8 inches, a little over 8 inches long. So that will go for the back. Okay, so now it's time to print. So I have my machine already set up, my Cricut. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that the mirror's on because the DMV Devils, you don't want it to read backwards on your shirt. You want it to read the right way. So you have to mirror it so it will be backwards when you're going to print it, but not when you press it on your shirt. All right. My device is getting ready. I will go ahead and select everyday iron on. And I always want to check and make sure before I move to the next step that the mirror is still on, because I've had that happen to me where I selected mirror and then when it went towards the default mode or whatever, it changed. And then I printed it and all of that was ruined. So we want to make sure that it is done correctly before you hit print. And it's cutting. You can see it on the Cricut Designer, how far along it is, all the way until it's done cutting and doing its job. Okay, so it has finished printing, cutting, and I've cut away all of the excess vinyl that you don't need. Just the print is right here. And then we're gonna start weeding the actual design out. Now, I have some tools that I like to use with these to do this, and you can get the Cricut ones, but I found these right at the hardware store for just 99 cents, and I really love them. And they come in different ones where you can have, if you like, a curved head or just a straight one. I love it. So it's up to you, and what you want to do is how you do your weeding. But this is how I am doing mine for now. So, and I really like this vinyl as well. This peel off iron-on vinyl Sports Flex. I don't know about you guys, but the people that do this, I found this to be the easiest, one of the easiest to weed, especially for a design like this that has a lot of little parts as well. It's very flexible and it's easy to just pull and peel it right off. Peel the excess stuff that you don't want right off. And, you know, some of those other ones that I've tried with this, like the glitter, it's a little bit more difficult, I think, because the glitter is thicker and stuff. So it took me a little bit more time to get through the weeding part. So the weeding could be very tedious if your materials that you're using are just take a little bit more time. You see how easy that is, just peeling right off? I just absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Look at this. Look at that. Look at how easy it is, just peeling. Just with me very slowly pulling, it just peels perfectly. So this one, you know, I really don't need to use the tool too much to help me. It just to get started, pretty much. But I really love how this just is so easy to weed, and it takes me no time to get it done. But let me continue to weed this, and I will get right back to you guys in a few seconds. Okay, so in that short break, I was able to do the front. This will be the front one that's gonna go right over the left chest. It's gonna be, so on the sweatshirt, it's gonna be right here, and we wanna bring it down just a little bit so it's not up here on the shoulder, but we also wanna make sure that it's not in the armpit, okay? So this will be our front print for this. And I've already set it up in the press to where, if you see, here's the collar. It's kind of hard to see from over there, but this is the collar, and I've brought it down about 1 inch right there. And if you see, if you can, this is also the side of the shoulder right here. So I don't want to go too far over this way to where the armpit is. So I want to keep it right here. Right here would be a good spot. Right there. Okay? So you take your press, put it there, try to get a feel on where you want it. I think about right there is perfect. And then just make sure that it's gonna be upright and not crooked. Yep, that looks pretty good, actually. Could put it over just a tad bit from the armpit right there. And then, like that, looks good. What do you guys think? Good? Put your paper down. And I like to press this twice, even though I'm sure, even if you press it once, I'm sure that would be more than good. But for me, I just feel better when I press it twice. So I'll press it twice. It's on a timer, and it will tell me when the seconds are ready, and then I will take it off. Okay. We bring it back up. And like I said, I like to press it twice. So I will make sure nothing's moved, and then I will do it again. Then this is a flex press, the Flex Sport Flex. So you shouldn't do it while it's still hot. You should not peel it while it's still hot. I learned that the hard way on one project. So we'll just take it over here and we will let it cool down and then we'll peel it. Okay, well, it's all done now. So here's the front of it, of the hoodie. And then here's how the back came out. Ooh, of the hoodie. What do you think? I think it came out really nice. Can't wait for Jerome to come home tonight and to try it on. And yeah, it's great representation if you have a small business and you need some items, some shirts, some bags, whatever you want to print it on, prints on glass, wood, other things. Do some business cards. It's awesome. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.